Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make wrapped circle in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then click this new slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and click this word art drop down menu and choose any style of word art. Now write your text here. Now select this text and go to text field and choose a light color. Now select this text and go to shape format menu. Then click this text effect drop down menu. Then choose transform. Now you can see here a wrap. Now choose wrapped circle. Now align this wrapped circle option. You can see I make text wrapped circle in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.